This view is what makes a hike so special. Now that was a good hike. Hey everybody, David, aka RVJEDEYE, aka Car-V-Jedeye, and I am out and about, and it is time to start thinking about dinner. The sun is starting to get a little bit lower. It is almost time for that perfect meal, and you know my motto: when out on the road, there is no need to eat poorly in your car or RVing, and tonight we're going to do exactly that: eat something fab. We are going to do a beef stroganoff. Yep, a nice hearty meal here. I've got some beef, I've got some noodles. It's going to be fantastic. I also have some wine that we're going to enjoy as well. But all of this is to wrap up a great day of hiking and just enjoying a new park. I'm at Joemma Beach State Park in Lake Bay, Washington, just about an hour and a half outside of Seattle, maybe 2 hours depending on traffic. And it has been a great day. A lot of hiking, a lot of sightseeing, just really enjoying it, and the view, oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Now we're gonna finish it off with a great meal, some stroganoff. Let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the stove started. I'm going to take my cast iron pan, get it on there, get it hot, and I'm going to add in about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of bacon fat. Want to render that down and get some of that into the pan. With the bacon fat now melted, I'm going to take some sirloin steak that I have sliced up, put it in the pan, just use a little salt and pepper, and cook that up. So you want to pull the meat out of the pan, and then you want to drop your mushrooms and onions and stir them around and get them translucent. So I put the beef back in with the mushrooms and onions, added in some garlic, minced garlic, then added a little bit of flour, stirred that off, cooked that down a little bit. And then I added some chicken broth in there to cook that down a little bit. And you just want to keep that going until it starts to burn off and simmer down and intensify in flavor. I also started my water for my noodles. I'm going to use egg noodles for the stroganoff. We're getting closer to it all tasting great. Now to the pan, I've added a little bit of cream and a little bit of Dijon mustard, stirring that up, letting that cook down for a little bit. And the last thing I'm gonna add into this is some sour cream in just a bit. I dropped the pasta. The pasta is now cooking. It's egg noodles. It shouldn't take that long. We're getting close to having a great dinner. I am gonna have a salad with this just so I have some greenery. Mom always likes to make sure that I have some greenery in my food. Everything is now cooked to perfection. It's time to plate it up and go ahead and see how this bad boy tastes. And voila, there you have it. Beef stroganoff. I've got a salad, Caesar dressing, some Sutter Home Cabernet Sauvignon. Let's try out the stroganoff. It's absolutely fantastic. I added a little bit of basil on top from my garden. I grow it on my balcony, and it just adds a nice little flavor to the whole thing. I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the notes below, and then maybe you'll try it out on the road. Again, no need to eat poorly when you're car camping or travel trailing or RVing. Just make sure you're taking care of yourself and doing something fun like this. Hey, that's gonna do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then of course you can follow me on the blog at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, chef it up, enjoy yourself, have a blast, and enjoy your dinner table. We'll see you next time.